We've just finishing up, obviously, the installation of the sod for Dallas Stadium.
We started harvest this past Sunday on the farm up in Colorado. The pitch was brought in on 24 refrigeration trucks. Install started this past Monday, and then install completed this past Tuesday evening.
The sod is a Kentucky bluegrass ryegrass mix.
You're looking at roughly 45,000 man hours, 15,000 tons of materials hauled in. You see our grow lights. We've got 18 rigs tied into our high steel up above that provide all the light and everything that the pitch needs to grow. And
when it comes to any field management, it's the first step is getting everything in, followed then by the second step, which is maintaining it and keeping it to what we need it to. Making sure that we have irrigation systems that are able to wet up the surfaces to kind of help the ball move fast and keep the play of the game going. As FIFA, we're aiming to grow football across the world. I think the excitement building around the tournament is everything, and hopefully that's what this tournament brings to North America as well.